Just look at this. A 1967 Ford Mustang, hidden away in a forgotten forest shed for decades, covered in rust, moss, and dust. It's hard to imagine this beauty will ever roar again. Can you picture what this car must have witnessed all these years? I've always loved the stories behind old cars. Every scratch, every dent, every faded patch tells a memory. And this Mustang, it feels like it's waiting for someone to bring it back to life. Have you ever stumbled upon something abandoned and thought, maybe it still has a story to tell? Let me know in the comments. Slowly, we lift her out of that forest shed. Every creak of metal, every crunch of leaves under the tires, all these tiny details tell the story of years lost to time. It's almost like she's breathing again. Can you hear it too? Now, in this beautiful garage, the transformation begins. Cleaning away decades of dirt, moss, and rust. It's a careful, delicate process. Every water drop, every brush stroke, all small sounds clear, almost meditative. Do you enjoy watching restorations like this? Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear. Look at that leather interior. Cracked and worn, but full of character. Every touch, every careful wipe brings back a piece of her former glory. Isn't it amazing how something so forgotten can start to feel alive again? And if you're enjoying this journey, hit that like button. It really helps. Step by step we repair, sanding rusted panels, applying primer, painting her back in that classic Highland green. The engine bay shines, chrome parts polished to a mirror finish. You can almost hear the history breathing through every tool, every gentle tap, every careful adjustment. I have to ask, if you had a classic car like this, would you restore it or keep it untouched as a memory? Answer in the comments. I'm curious what you would do. As we finish the interior, vacuuming, conditioning the leather, polishing the dashboard, it's like every element is whispering, telling its story. And you start to realize this Mustang isn't just a car, it's a living memory. Every small sound clear, the air, the tools, the fabric, everything telling a story. The engine comes to life for the first time in decades, that deep V8 rumble. Pure satisfaction. It's hard not to smile. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. You won't want to miss the next restoration. Now the final reveal, fully restored, Highland green shining under the garage lights, reflections dancing on the polished curves. She's alive and ready to be driven again. Imagine the stories she'll carry from here. Before we wrap up, what's your favorite part of this transformation? Comment below. And if you loved this journey, hit like. And don't forget to subscribe. This story isn't over yet. There's more magic coming in the next restoration. Every car has a soul, and today, this Mustang has found hers again. Thanks for being part of this journey with me. See you in the next one.